Okay, so the Sample Platter mission has moved from 9 weapons to 6 unique weapon classes, so it's a heck of a lot easier this time for Crown. Let's go ahead and do it now. Obviously, you'll just need to go into a game with 2, maybe 3 different kinds of weapons. So we're talking pistol, assault rifle, DMR, sniper, rocket launcher. That's 5. There's probably more of them. Can't think of them off the top of my head, but let's get in game and see exactly what we do. Okay, so for killing an enemy with 6 different weapon classes in one deployment, it's best to bring in 2, maybe 3 different kinds of weapons. Otherwise, you can pick them up while you're playing. You can, of course, also buy them from buy stations should you have the money on you. It's easy enough to get kills with just 1 type, 2, 3, maybe 4, but you may get lost, so a useful list of what kind of weapons you need to use is probably going to help you more than you think. Right, so here is a Bison. This is a SMG. Just like that, we've got 2 now, so we've used assault rifle and SMG. ISO Hemlock, this is a custom assault rifle. I don't think it's any different, unfortunately. Let's see if there's something different here. Shotguns, perfect. These are probably the most difficult kind of gun to use on long-range maps, but at least Vondel is nice up close and personal. So getting rid of a few AI this way should definitely help us. And now we've already got 3 kinds of guns complete on our little challenge here. So, light machine gun, there's another one. Hopefully Mr. Special Boy over here will give me something useful. There we go, that's number 4. And now we just need a few more, such as sniper rifle and designated marksman rifle. These 2 you'll probably end up buying from a buy station, so just make sure you have some cash on you when you head over to one. What did you drop? A cast of? Not the best. But anyways, alright, so let's go ahead and use some of this cash we've now collected to buy a DMR and a sniper rifle. There is a shop nearby us, so that's pretty good. I think we can maybe buy something with 12 grand. I have a fear it'll be 15 minimum though. Right, so heading down here. What we need is and sniper rifle. Perfect. There's no DMR here, but that is the last kind of weapon that we'll need to collect at some stage. Now, you don't need to do this all in one go. It's just easiest to, as this mission will take up a slot in your missions list, and it's quite annoying as you'll have to deal with it. Anyways, there's sniper rifle done. Now for DMR. We'll need to go to a completely different shop in hopes that they'll have, and of course I'll need some money when I get there, which I don't currently. Obviously, if we're lucky, we can find one, but you'll usually not find DMRs, at least on the Vondel map. Some snipers on Al Mazrah, for example, have them, but oh, would you look at that, I have a City Hall key. Let's go ahead and use it. Maybe we'll find one in here in one of the orange boxes. Quickly dealing with the hostile reinforcements. There's no weapons here, that's cool. Battle rifle, there we go. A TAC. This is another kind of weapon besides a designated marksman rifle, DMR. A TAC should work just fine. There we go. Now we should have completed the mission Sample Platter, so that's really it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.